In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add simple moving average indicators in TradingView Pro. Quick and easy guide. Let's jump straight in. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open for any market you want to analyze. This could be stocks, forex, crypto, or anything else available on the platform. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. Inside this window, you'll see several tabs and categories. To keep things simple, we're going to focus on the section labeled Technicals. Click on Technicals so that TradingView filters the list to show you the most commonly used technical indicators. This makes it easier and faster to find exactly what we're looking for. Next, move to the search bar inside that Indicators window. This is where you can type the name of any indicator you want to add to your chart. Click into the search bar so it's active and ready to type. This is helpful because TradingView has a huge library of indicators, and using the search bar saves you from having to scroll through a long list. Now, in the search bar, type Simple Moving Average. As you start typing, TradingView will automatically narrow down the results. Look for the built-in Simple Moving Average indicator, usually labeled just like that. Once you see it in the list, click on it. As soon as you do, the Simple Moving Average line will appear directly on your chart following the price. If you want to adjust how this moving average behaves, look for the Simple Moving Average label at the top left of your chart. Next to it, you'll see a small settings icon, often shaped like a gear. Click on that settings icon to open the configuration window. Here you can change the length, which controls how many periods are used in the calculation, adjust the color and thickness of the line, and customize it to match your trading style. Take a moment to set it up the way you like. If at any point you decide you no longer want that simple moving average on your chart, you can remove it just as easily. Click the same label at the top of the chart again, and this time choose the remove option. The indicator will disappear, leaving your chart clean and ready for a different setup. And finally, if you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want more tools, more indicators on each chart, and an overall smoother experience, use the link in my description to sign up.